In this video, I am going to show you how to build a resume on Indeed. Step 1. Prepare your informations. Before you begin, you have to contact information, employment history, like education, skills, details, certifications, and any other relevant credentials ready. Step 2. Go to Indeed.com and find the option to upload your resume. In the window that opens, select Build a new resume instead of uploading an existing one. 3. You'll be prompted to provide your email address. This step creates an Indeed account where your resume will be stored, allowing for easy access and edits in the future. After entering your email, fill in any additional basic information required and click Next. 4. Start by entering your degree information, including the institution, degree obtained, and field of study. Detail your work history focusing on positions held in the last 5 years. Add relevant skills and, if applicable, add any other pertinent information such as certifications or awards. Once you've filled all the sections, you can download, share, or adjust your resume as needed. Ensure it's tailored to the job you're applying for. Indeed may offer assessments to validate your skills. Completing these can add a credibility to your resume and make you stand out for employers. And that's it, guys. Happy building. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.